everyone and welcome back to NavYugKids School Assembly News. Today is 23rd June 2026 and here are the top headlines for the day. Let's begin with the national news.
National news. President Draupadi Murmu will present the remaining 131 Padma Awards at Rashtrapati Bhavan today, honoring distinguished personalities from various fields, including actors Mammootty and R. Madhavan. The IMD has predicted the arrival of the southwest monsoon in Mumbai today and issued a yellow alert for Mumbai, Thane and Raigad due to expected rainfall.
In the national news, the US and Iran have successfully completed their first round of peace talks in Switzerland and agreed on a 60-day roadmap towards a final peace agreement. External Affairs Minister Jaishankar is visiting Mongolia and holding talks with the country's leadership to further strengthen India-Mongolia relations.
Karnataka state news. Karnataka has announced their plans to develop India's first AI-powered city at Bilateral near Bengaluru. The Greater Bengaluru Integrated Township is expected to boost technology investments.
Sports news. Bengaluru will host the 7th Air Force Arjan Singh Memorial Hockey Tournament for the first time, with leading teams from the Army, Railways, CISF and state boards competing in the national event.
Thought of the day. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Mark Twain. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Jai Hind.